In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Spotify playlist. First, open your browser and search Spotify. Type the word Spotify into the search bar, then press enter. On most devices, the first result will be the official Spotify website, and you will see the familiar green logo in the result. Take a second to confirm you see Spotify mentioned in the title of the search result, so you know you are not clicking an ad or a different site pretending to be Spotify. Once you see that official result, you are ready for the next step. Now, click the correct link and sign in. Click the main Spotify link from the search results to open the website. When the page loads, look toward the top right corner for the login option. Click that, and you should see different ways to sign in, such as using your email and password or a connected account. Enter your details carefully, because a wrong email will open a different account that does not contain your playlists. After you sign in, the page will refresh, and you should see your profile picture or your username in the top right corner. From there, click on your profile at the top right corner, then click Account. Your profile is usually shown as a small picture or a circle with your initials. Click it once to open a small menu. In that menu, choose the option named Account. The account page opens in a new view with several sections on the left side, such as Account Overview and other settings. If you do not see Account in the menu, double-check that you are actually logged in, then open the profile menu again. Next up, click Recover Playlists. On the account page, look along the left side for a list of links. One of those links is called Recover Playlists. Click that, and the main area of the screen will change to a table showing the playlists that were deleted from this account. You will see the playlist names, the dates they were deleted, and a button for each one. If the list is empty, that simply means there are no deleted playlists left to recover on this account. At this point, find the deleted playlist, then click the Restore button. Look through the list for the playlist name you want back. When you find it, move to the right side of that row and click Restore. The page does not always show a big pop-up, but the Restore button will briefly change to confirm the action. That playlist is now returned to your account, and you can open the Spotify app to see it appear again in your library under Your Library and Playlists. If you restored the wrong playlist by mistake, you can always come back to the same page and repeat the process for the one you actually wanted. You have now successfully recovered a deleted Spotify playlist using the account recovery page. If this helped you get your playlist back, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Spotify fixes.